Hello everyone and welcome to April's Sallie Tomato Bag Makers Club video. I'm Jess.
And I'm Audra, and today we're excited to talk about the fantastic designer behind this month's Marina crossbody bag, Namrata from BagStock Designs.
Namrata isn't available to join us on camera, so we're going to share a little bit about her background, her design process, and dive into the amazing bag that she's included in this month's Sallie Tomato Bag Makers Club box. So let's get started.
Namrata is a talented bag designer and the founder of BagStock Designs. Namrata's journey from the world of bag making is really inspiring. After the birth of her son, she was looking for a creative outlet from home. She began with quilting, but quickly fell in love with making bags. Who doesn't? There's something about crafting a stylish and functional bag that spoke to her, and she knew this was her true passion.
In 2016, while preparing for a fair, Namrata created a new bag design and posted it in a Facebook group. The response was overwhelming and many people wanted to know where they could buy the pattern. And that's when BagStock was born. So her first pattern, which was the Everyday Tote, became a huge hit and is still one of her best sellers to this day.
When it comes to her design process, Namrata focuses on creating bags that she would actually love to use herself. She begins by sketching out shapes, experimenting with pocket placements, because let's face it, who doesn't love a good pocket, and thinking about the bag's overall functionality.
And what makes Namrata's design stand out is that she doesn't think about how a bag looks, but how it feels to use, how it fits into everyday life, and whether it solves a real problem. Once she has a design, she creates a prototype and works with her amazing testing team to ensure the bag is as functional and well-designed as she envisions.
Inspiration for her designs can come from everywhere: fashion trends, nature, architecture, and even her travels. It's about combining form and function to create bags that are as practical as they are stylish.
Now let's talk about the bag that's featured in this month's box, which is the Marina unisex crossbody bag. This bag has a really special story behind it. Namrata's husband actually inspired the design. He asked why she didn't design men's bags, and that sparked the idea for the Marina crossbody.
And it's truly the perfect everyday bag. The Marina crossbody features a clean, structured design with multiple pockets for practicality. It's versatile enough to be worn in both casual and professional settings, making it a great addition to any wardrobe.
Plus, it looks amazing in so many different fabrics. Whether you choose a bold print or a sleek solid, this bag works beautifully with all kinds of materials, and it's definitely a bag that stands out.
For all of you making the Marina crossbody this month, here are a couple of tips. First, pay attention to the pocket placements. Namrata's designs are known for their functional and well thought out pockets, so it's important to take your time to get them just right.
And another thing to watch out for is the vinyl or faux leather components. These materials add structure, but they can be a bit tricky to sew through, so make sure that you're using the correct needle and walking foot to avoid any issues.
And if you're new to working with vinyl or faux leather, don't forget that Sallie Tomato has a free download and videos about how to sew with faux leather. And now back to the bag. For customization, don't be afraid to experiment with different fabrics. If you want a more relaxed, casual look, try denim or canvas. If you want something sleek and professional, go for faux leather or a smooth vinyl finish. It's all about making the bag your own.
And a huge thank you to Namrata for designing this beautiful bag. And even though she's not here today, we encourage all of you to connect with her online and share your completed projects.
Absolutely. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the Bag Makers Club Facebook group. We love to see how you're making these designs your own.
And next month, we'll have another amazing designer and a brand new bag project for you. We can't wait to share more. You can learn more about the Bag Makers Club in the links below. We would love to see your projects made with Bag Makers Club. Please share your photos using hashtag Bag Makers Club and hashtag SallieTomato on social media so we can celebrate your creativity.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for joining us today and happy sewing.